guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Bella. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my bald head routine and giving you guys a little bit of a 2-week update. First, I'm going to talk about the 2-week update. There's not much to talk about because it's only been 2 weeks. But other than that, my hair has been growing tremendously and I'm just so surprised of how fast my hair is growing. And I do believe it is because of my hair routine and how good I'm taking care of my scalp. That and genetics. But the only bad thing is I do have a little bit of a bald spot here and here. For the first 2 weeks of being bald, I did wash my hair every day. But now that I don't see my scalp anymore and it's just a full head of hair, I did go down to 2 to 3 washes a week. I have an exfoliating day, which I will do in another video, and I have a mask day, which I'm doing today, and I have a rinse day, which is optional for me. That's when my scalp is really irritated or itchy and I just need a quick apple cider vinegar rinse. So far, I've only been using the Aztec clay mask for my Wednesdays, which are mask days. But as I get on, I'm going to be doing different masks. The moisturizer that I use in my head after wash days is the mango and carrot oil butter that I made in my other video. If you haven't watched that video, the link will be in my description. A little disclaimer, in that video I said storage is key, and unfortunately I did not store it properly. So it did melt and it changed in consistency. But hopefully sooner or later I will come up with another formula that it doesn't melt or it doesn't melt as quick. Throughout the week on my non-wash days, I do use the carrot oil that I made in that video or avocado oil. And I shampoo my hair with just black soap. So let's get right to it. I'm not going to go into much detail on how I did this mask because I went over it in other videos and it's pretty simple and straightforward. I just put the mask in, the Aztec clay mask, put some apple cider vinegar and just tea tree oil, and that's it. This mask combats a dry, flaky, and itchy scalp. It draws out toxins and it aids in hair growth. After leaving it in for 15 minutes, I make sure every little piece is washed out. For my shampoo, I go in with my black soap. Black soap is full of vitamins and minerals. Also, it is antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial, so it is an effective cleanser. Black soap does dry out your hair and skin if you use it in a raw form like I am using, but I made videos on how I made diluted black soap shampoo, so you should definitely check that out. This moisturizer that I made is full of great butters and oils, so it is definitely an effective moisturizer for my hair and body. I put some on my fingertips and I give myself a good scalp massage. And that's all there is to my bald head routine. It's super simple but super effective. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Next, I will be doing a video on how I exfoliate my head, which is on Saturdays. And don't forget to watch my other videos. Bye!